Hello and welcome back to Epoch Cafe. In a major boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally handed over the indigenously developed lightweight combat helicopter to the Indian Air Force. The light combat helicopter is the first made in India dedicated combat helicopter designed and developed by the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. The helicopter is loaded with the modern state-of-the-art technologies and stealth features for effective attack and combat operational roles. Before handed over to the Indian Air Force, the helicopter has been tested in both extreme high altitude zones along Tibet's northern border and the border regions along Pakistan's western frontier. Furthermore, helicopter has been tested in Ladakh and on the Siachen Glacier, which is the only world's highest battleground of its own kind, where India and Pakistan troops are heavily deployed since 1984. India's first twin-engine light combat helicopter weighs around 5.5 tons, is the only attack helicopter in the world that can land and take off at an altitude of 5,000 meters, which is equivalent to 16,400 feet with a considerable load of weapons and fuel. The light combat helicopter can also carry air-to-air and anti-armor missiles to hit land and aerial targets with precision. The LCH helicopter currently has a 20 mm gun and 70 mm rockets on board. For air-to-air combat role, LCH has successfully test-fired MBDA's Mistral air-to-air missile, and the good news is that the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited has at present integrated Mistral-specific launchers on the LCH platform. However, the Mistral infrared homing missiles are not currently available in the IAF arsenal, and according to reports, Ministry of Defence will soon procure Mistral air-to-air defense from France. Indian light combat helicopter is capable to fly at a service ceiling up to 22,000 feet and has a maximum speed of around 268 km per hour. Last but not least, the light combat helicopter can spin 360 degrees while flying in the air, which means it can also rotate swiftly in the air. If you like this video, hit on subscribe, and in case you want to add more to this story, comment section is for you guys.